Hello, we are Team 3D Print for COVID. Because of the COVID crisis, there is a monthly shortage of about 500,000 personal protective equipment like face shields in India. Our idea: use personal 3D printers for hyperlocal supply of PPE. However, there are challenges in making hyperlocal 3D printing viable. How do I connect with hospitals? How do I ensure that the design of a PPE is okay for use and the time required to 3D print parts is high?
This is where we come in. We have created a platform where 3D printer owners and PPE buyers can connect. We are curating the designs, optimizing them for quick printing, and we will get approvals where required. We're creating a large base of 3D printers to bring scalability and product availability at mass. Now let me show you how the community will connect on our platform. 3D print owners and hospitals can register themselves. A hospital places an order, 3D print owner commits to print the order. Hospital can view the status. Our product portfolio has designs optimized for printing. For a face shield, we reduce the print time by 80% and cost by 75%. India needs 15 million PPEs per month for its healthcare workers. There are about 5,000 3D printers located in school labs in almost all districts of India. With our platform, these labs can overnight start supplying 25,000 PPE per day for local hospitals, hyperlocal manufacturing and supply as per hyperlocal need. That is what we want to achieve in India in the next 2 weeks. After that, we plan to go global. We are a strong team with expertise in 3D printing, software development, logistics, and operations management.
Every little thing counts in a crisis, and we are willing to do our part. Thank you for this opportunity.